Welcome back to our monthly Spotlight series. My name is Jana Day, and today we're diving into the growing impact that aging HVAC systems and outdated building controls have on indoor air quality and overall learning outcomes in K-12 schools. Aging HVAC systems in education buildings have become one of the most frequently cited contributors to inconsistent indoor air quality, higher operating costs, and reduced reliability. An estimated 41% of United States school districts report needing to update or replace their HVAC systems in at least half of their buildings. This reflects a widespread challenge related to aging infrastructure. As districts navigate rising energy costs, tighter budgets, and the need for healthier classrooms, the condition of their control system has become a defining factor in overall school performance. Across the United States, many K-12 school districts are operating on HVAC systems that were installed decades ago. While these systems were considered advanced for their time, they were never designed to support today's expectations around energy efficiency and indoor air quality. Most mechanical, pneumatic, and early generation control systems have exceeded their intended life cycle and are now creating ongoing challenges for teaching and for learning. As these platforms age, performance rarely fails all at once. Instead, it slowly declines in ways that can go unnoticed. Over time, this gradual erosion leads to system logic drifting away from intended operation as older programming no longer aligns with current needs. Environmental readings become less reliable as aging sensors lose accuracy. Temporary workarounds become routine. Outdated software and interfaces leave advanced features unused. The result is inconsistent temperature controls, higher energy use, and ongoing occupant complaints. These issues directly influence indoor air quality and comfort in classrooms, which are both tied to student performance and well-being. To give us a deeper look at how aging building controls impact daily operations at school, we talked to Jeff Day. Jeff highlighted practical steps the district can take in order to modernize without committing to a full system overhaul.
Hi, my name is Jeff Day, and I'm part of the EPC Hub. Older temperature control systems can affect a school district's ability to maintain a healthy, comfortable learning environment for students and staff. At times, a temporary workaround can lead to long-term problems for a building. Sometimes a building is scheduled to run longer for a special event, or at night the temperatures are raised to combat the cold of a winter evening. When those settings are left in place, the utility usage can climb. School districts are being asked to maintain the temperature and ventilation rates at a higher tolerance than ever before. To meet this challenge, a school district will need a system that's scalable and powerful and able to be expanded across all the buildings in their district. Modernization of your temperature control system can help a district to create a better learning environment for staff and students, reduce unexpected high-priced service visits, and ensure you have a quality service provider going into the future. There are many ways to roadmap a plan for modernization. Our team would be happy to sit with you and analyze your existing system, design an upgrade path, identify funding, and to work closely with your design team to come up with a plan that works well for you.
Aging HVAC systems and building controls quietly influence the daily experience of all stakeholders in a district. With thoughtful and strategic modernization, districts can turn aging infrastructure into high-performing and reliable systems. If this sounds like a solution that's right for you, let's talk.